Dear student, how are you? Fine. We are in our chapter electrochemistry, lecture number 8 today. We are going to start our numerical is about resistivity, conductivity, molar conductivity. Yes, the electrical resistance electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 molarity mole per liter. NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeter is 5.5 into 10 raised to 3 ohm. So 10 raised to 3 ohm is resistance. Calculate its resistivity. Calculate its resistivity, then conductivity and molar conductivity. Understood? A cylinder is given having diameter 1. Yes. Here diameter is 1 centimeter. So radius will be 0.5 centimeter. So cross section area A will be pi r square. So pi 3.14, radius 0.5 square. So A will be 3.5 into 0.5 square. So it gives 0.785 centimeter square. Yes, A is 0.785 centimeter square. Understood? This is our cross section area. Why? For getting R. R is equal to rho into L. R is the resistance. We have to derive resistivity. Yes, so rho. Rho is equal to R into A upon L. R is the resistance 5.55 10 raised to 3 ohm and area in centimeter square 0.785 centimeter square upon L. Length is 50 centimeter. Height of the cylinder 50. So answer is 87.135 centimeter. 1 time cut. Ohm into centimeter is our unit. So first answer resistivity is derived Now conductivity. Yes, K is 1 upon rho inverse of resistivity. That is 7.135. 1 upon 8, 7.135 gives 0.01148. 0.01148. This one ohm into centimeter. 1 upon ohm means Siemens. Centimeter inverse is unit. Now molar conductivity. Yes, sir. For getting molar conductivity, 1000 into K upon C. Now here is the trick. Whenever concentration given in mole per liter. Yes, sir. So Nk 0.00148 1148 0.001148 અહીંયા મોલ પર લિટર હોય આ સિમેન્સ પર સેન્ટીમીટર હોય અહીંયા 1000 લેવું પડે. So molar conductivity will be here. Molar conductivity derived value is time ના બગડે એટલે કેલ્ક્યુલેટેડ હોય છે મારી પાસે 229.6 Siemens into centimeter square into mole inverse. Yes, this numerical is counted in CGS in centimeter. Now we are going to count in meter. So in meter what happens actually, you can see length in 50 centimeter divided by 100, so 0.5 meter. Centimeter is converted into meter. Now this is length. Now radius 0.5 centimeter divided by 100, 0.0055. So A will be here. Our value of A comes in meter. .785 direct. We are converting here direct. Centimeter square into meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how much? Divided by 100 square. So square level. Square of 100. So 10 raised to 4 upward. It will be -4. So 0.785 direct. 10 raised to -4 meter square. Now 5.55 10 raised to 3 ohm. It is fixed. Here 0.785 10 raised to -4 meter square. Here is 0.5 meter. So answer will be change. So rho will be in meter, ohm into meter. It comes it is 7.135 into 10 raised to -2 ohm into meter. Now what about K? So inverse of it, here 1 upon rho 87135 centimeter into meter divided by 100. So it will be here 100 upon. So 1.148. Yes, 1.148. Now here in meter, Siemens into meter. here not 1000 allowed. K is the 1.148 Siemens into meter. Concentration we have to take in mole per meter cube. So 0.05 multiplied by 1000. So mole per meter cube. 1000 नीचे आवश्यक. So 229.6 into 10 raised to minus 4 Siemens into meter square into mole inverse. In both, in centimeter and meter, counted there. Now we are in our new point today. Yes, actually, which is discussed in last lecture, we are comparing. We are going to compare two quantities, conductivity and molar conductivity. We are going to compare conductivity, variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with the concentration. New point. Variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration. Variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration. We are in our new point, variation, yes, conductivity and molar conductivity. Concentration change થાય ત્યારે એની conductivity અને molar conductivity માં કઈ રીતે changes આવે છે એને describe કરો. Do discussion briefly with change in concentration of electrolyte, both conductivity and molar conductivity. Listen, both conductivity and molar conductivity change with the concentration of the electrolyte. What is electrolyte? Yes, NaCl, HCl, when we dissolve into water and which gives iron, that is called electrolyte. Conductivity, electrolyte are both type. Weak and strong. Conductivity always decreases with decreasing concentration of electrolytes. Both weak and strong. Yes, sir. Variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration, both conductivities, એટલે કે molar conductivity અને molar conductivity and conductivity both changes with changes in concentration of electrolyte. Conductivity always decreases, not molar conductivity. Now I am first discussing about only conductivity. Always decreases concentration of electrolyte for both strong or weak. This can be explained. पहला तो मैं बहुत simple method समझाएगा. In the conductivity, two electrodes is dipped into solution where electrolyte is present, suppose NaCl. Here surface area cross section is A, length between two electrodes is L. Here number of ions, suppose 1 mole is present. The solution of 1 mole ions are present. In the solution there is 1 mole ions are present and 2 electrode is dipped. Surface area of the plate is A and length between two plate is L. When we dissolve NaCl into 1 liter water છે એમાં 1 mole NaCl added છે. 1 mole NaCl is added in 1 liter. The number of ions are 1 mole in the particular 1 meter square surface area and a distance between 1 meter. Understood? Now we are increasing water, means surface area remain constant, length remain constant, number of mole remain constant, but volume is doubled. So જે number of ions આની વચ્ચે હતા એ decrease થઈ જાય કારણ કે વોલ્યુમ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થઈ ગયું. આ તો 1 મીટર સ્ક્વેર છે એટલે નંબર ઓફ એટલે જેમ તમે વોટર એડ કરતા જશો એમાં આ બે પ્લેટની વચ્ચેનો જે number of ions જે મૂવિંગ છે it became less. So with dilution એટલે વોટર એડ કરતા જાઓ એટલે મોલારિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય, કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ડિક્રીઝ થાય. 1 મોલ 1 લિટરમાં હતું એટલે મોલારિટી 1, પણ 1 મોલ 2 લિટરમાં એટલે મોલારિટી 0.5, 1 મોલ 3 લિટરમાં એટલે 1/3 એટલે મોલારિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય. ઇટ મીન્સ આ જે ક્રોસ સેક્શન પ્લેટ છે એની વચ્ચે નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ છે જે મૂવિંગ હોય એ ડિક્રીઝ થતા જાય એટલે એની કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. અંડરસ્ટુડ? કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝિસ. This can be explained. Yes sir. This can be explained by the fact that number of ions per unit volume એટલે 1 liter per unit volume that carry the current समझाए में बधाने that carry the current in a solution decreases with dilution. The conductivity of solution of any given concentration is the conduction of 1 unit volume of solution kept between the conductivity of the solution is શું છે? Conductivity of solution at any given concentration is the conductance of 1 unit volume of solution kept between two electrodes. એટલે મેં હમણાં ડ્રો કર્યું તો તે જ છે. એટલે કે 1 મીટર સ્ક્વેર એરિયા હોય, ક્રોસ સેક્શન લેન્થ 1 મીટર હોય, આજી વોલ્યુમ છે 1 લીટર થાય, એરિયા ઇન્ટુ લેન્થ એટલે વોલ્યુમ 1 લીટર. એમાં કેટલા નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ છે, that is the conductivity. હવે તમે એમાં વોટર એડ કરો એટલે શું થાય, પર યુનિટ વોલ્યુમ નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ છે ડિક્રીઝ થાય, બટ નેચરલી કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય. પહેલા 1 લીટર વોલ્યુમ હતું એટલે 1 મોલ આયન હતા આ બેની વચ્ચે. હવે 1 મોલ આયન્સ તો છે પણ લીટર ડબલ થઈ જાય છે, એટલે આ 1 વોલ્યુમ હોય 1 લીટર વોલ્યુમ એની અંદર નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ છે decrease થઈ જાય with dilution. So conductivity decreases and distance of unit length, it is clear from the equation. Yes, and we know over here in conductivity cell surface area is fixed 1 meter square, length is 1 meter, and we know formula G is equal to K A upon L. So G is equal to K. A is 1 meter square, L is 1 meter, so G is equal to K. Understood? A and L are unity. Unity is like 1 છે. Unit in. Now in the molar conductivity, that is inverse. In molar conductivity, it is inverse. એટલે per unit volume એટલે આ 1 મીટર સ્ક્વેર હોય એટલે કેમ ખબર છે, આ 1 મીટર સ્ક્વેર છે એનો એરિયા, આ લેન્થ 1 છે એટલે લેન્થ ઇન્ટુ એરિયા, તો એરિયા ઇન્ટુ લેન્થ એટલે વોલ્યુમ. એ 1 મીટર ક્યુબ એરિયા હોય એમાં જેટલા નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ હોય એની કંડક્ટિવિટી. જો તમે વોટર એડ કરતા જાઓ તો આ પોર્શન તો ફિક્સ જ છે કે આની કંડક્ટિવિટી કેટલી પર 1 મીટર ક્યુબ, એટલે 1 મીટર સ્ક્વેર ક્રોસ સેક્શન એરિયા. વોટર એડ કરતા જાઓ નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ છે આટલા પોર્શનમાં મુવમેન્ટ હોય ઘટતા જાય ને, એટલે એની શું થાય, કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. નાઉ મોલર કંડક્ટિવિટી. Molar conductivity, yes. Molar conductivity of a solution at a given concentration given concentration is the conductance of the volume V of solution containing containing 1 mole electrolyte between two cross section area and length is unity 1 meter. Yes, here our cross section area is not here 1 meter. Yes, here A is unlimited. Yes, suppose our length is fixed 1 meter between two electrons. 1 mole electrolyte is present here. Suppose initial solution was 1 liter and 1 mole ion is present here. Now here we are increasing 2 liter, mole remains 1, 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter. So all the ions are coming between our two cross section plate. માં એવું થતું નહોતું. આ ક્રોસ સેક્શન પ્લેટ નો એરિયા 1 મીટર સ્ક્વેર હતો. Here it is unlimited. 1 લિટર હોય ત્યારે 2 લિટર હોય ત્યારે 3 લિટર હોય ત્યારે 4 લિટર. All the liters માટે આ જે ક્રોસ સેક્શન એરિયા છે એ યુઝ જ રહેશે. એટલે બધા આયન્સ છે આ બે પ્લેટની વચ્ચે જ રહેશે. એટલે બેનિફિટ એ થાય કે 1 મોલ છે 1 લિટરમાં મૂવમેન્ટ કરતા હોય તો એનું થોડુંક શું હોય રેઝિસ્ટન્સ હાઈ હોય. પણ 1 લિટરની બદલે 2 લિટર હોય તો ડિસ્ટન્સ વધી જાય તો મૂવમેન્ટ ફાસ્ટ થાય, રેઝિસ્ટન્સ ઘટી જાય. એટલે મોલર કન્ડક્ટિવિટી increases with increasing in concentration, but number of particles remain same. 1 mole એ તો એટલા ને એટલા રહેશે. વોટર એડ કરો તો સમુખાની મજા આવશે, મૂવમેન્ટ સ્પીડથી થશે. Molar conductivity of solution given concentration is the conduction of the volume between two cross section area. So molar conductivity is equal to K into L upon A upon L. Here L is the unity, 1 meter. A is not unity. Here up and down we are multiplying L. So area into length gives a volume. L is unity. So molar conductivity directly proportion with volume. એટલે આપણે 1 mol solution હોય 1 લિટરમાં વોટર એડ કરતા જાઓ, વોલ્યુમ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય, so molar conductivity increases. So here molar conductivity is directly proportion with the volume. Yes, molar conductivity increases with increasing in with decreasing in concentration. Concentration decrease થાય, molar conductivity increase થાય. Yes, 1 mol 1 લિટરમાં હતું, 1 mol 2 લિટરમાં આવે, 1 mol 3 લિટરમાં આવે, 1 mol 4 લિટરમાં આવે. એટલે શું થાય એની concentration decrease થાય પણ molar conductivity high થઈ જાય. This is because the total volume V, this is because total volume V of solution contains 1 mole electrolyte. Yes, it is fixed 1 mole electrolyte also increases. It has been found that decrease in K on dilution. From here lambda m is equal to K. Here V increases, K decreases. હમણાં જ કીધું વોલ્યુમ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય એટલે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ડિક્રીઝ થાય, કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ડિક્રીઝ થાય તો કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય, પણ મોલર કંડક્ટિવિટી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે. મોલર કંડક્ટિવિટી increases from the equation we discussed. Now so here lambda m is equal to K, more than compensated by increase in its volume. Yes sir. Here lambda m upon K is equal to V. V increases but decreasing in K karta increasing in lambda m is more, so it compensate. So with increasing in volume, decreasing of concentration and increasing of lambda m occurs. Now It means that a given concentration lambda m can be defined as the conduction of electrolyte kept between the electrode and a conductivity cell, a unit distance but having area of cross section large. We discussed that. And 1 mole of electrolyte, when concentration approach became to 0, it means that with increasing, why this happens we discussed. Here distance between two electrolyte is a unity, 1 meter. But our cross section area A is a 1 meter square, which is unlimited. So here ion easily moving. પછી 1 liter હોય, 2 liter હોય, 3 liter હોય. અમુક કારણે જેમ ડાયલ્યુશન થાય તો નંબર ઓફ પાર્ટિકલ્સ C ની વચ્ચે 1 મોલ જ રહેશે, એનો મૂવમેન્ટ વધારે થાય. With dilution, molar conductivity increases. With dilution, molar conductivity increases. At zero dilution, molar conductivity became highest. It is called the infinite molar conductivity or limiting molar conductivity. It is symbolized lambda degree m. Yes, sir. Listen there, dilution થાય એટલે molar conductivity increase થાય અને zero dilution થાય એટલે molar conductivity became highest. That is called limiting. એનાથી વધારે ના હોય. Infinite molar conductivity. When we draw graph for KCl and acetic acid, yes, sir. Concentration versus root of concentration versus molar conductivity. Molar conductivity on y-axis. This graph for KCl. Strong electrolyte. This one is a strong electrolyte. But acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. Concentration versus molar conductivity, you can see. When concentration decreases, you can see, and it became 0, so molar conductivity became highest, and there is a limit, infinite, આનાથી વધારે ના હોય. Maximum value of KCl's molar conductivity here is highest, and it is symbolized as lambda degree m. એનાથી વધારે હોઈ શકે નહીં. And infinite dilution. But both graphs are different for weak and strong. Yes, we will discuss about it, why this happens. So first we are going to discuss about strong electrolyte. Yes, sir. Molar conductivity for strong electrolyte and molar conductivity, it is final now. Molar conductivity increases with decreasing in concentration or dilution. It is final for weak and strong both. You can see. આમાં પણ increase થાય, આમાં પણ increase થાય, concentration decrease થાય ત્યારે. In both cases. Now for strong electrolyte, we are going to discuss here first strong. પહેલા આપણે strong electrolyte લેશું. For strong electrolytes, For the strong electrolytes, lambda m increases slowly. Increases slowly with dilution and can be represented by equation. Equation is lambda m, lambda degree m minus AC raised to 1 means root, under root. Lambda m is a molar conductivity. Lambda degree m is the infinite limiting molar conductivity. A is a constant, C is a concentration. It can be seen that if we plot a graph lambda m against, yes, this equation we are comparing with linear slope equation, y is equal to c plus mx. On y-axis we have to take lambda m. On y-axis we are taking lambda m. On x-axis root of concentration. So here C is a cross section. On y-axis it gives infinite molar conductivity. M is a slope. So slope is equal to A. Why negative slope? Because graph is decreasing. When concentration decreases, molar conductivity increases. But concentration increases, molar conductivity decreases. So weighted graph is like this. Here A is a constant which depends upon temperature and nature of the solvent. Here A is a constant which depends upon nature of the electrolytes and temperature. With changing in temperature, A will be changed. With changing in nature of electrolyte, yes. Which type of? I am telling you. Suppose NaCl is taken. NaCl. Then calcium chloride and MgSO4 is taken. So our type of electrolytes are different. How? Positive ion and negative ion of charge. 1:1. Positive no plus to negative 1. So 2:1. Here positive, negative both are 2. So 2:2. 1:1, 2:1, 2:2. Here this is the type of electrolyte. The type of electrolyte change થઈ જાય. So whenever type of electrolyte same, NaCl, KCl, lithium chloride, so A will be same. એક જ ટાઈપના ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇટ્સ માટે એની વેલ્યુ કોન્સ્ટન્ટની સેમ હોય. કેલ્શિયમ ક્લોરાઇડ then magnesium chloride both are same. For copper sulfate and MgSO4 both are a same. Type of electrolyte changes, value of A will be changed. Now our last point of the day, one example. The molar conductivity, yes, of KCl solution. The molar conductivity question. The molar conductivity of KCl solution is at a different concentration. At different concentrations at 298 Kelvin are below. Yes. Concentration is given in mole per liter, molarity. Then molar conductivity is given Siemens into centimeter square into mole inverse. When we take concentration 0.000198, so molar conductivity is 148.61. Here concentration is suppose 0.000309. So here molar conductivity is 148.29. Now concentration once again 0.000521. So value 147.81. Then 0.000989 concentration 147.09. So that a plot between lambda m question है, so that plot between lambda m versus under root c is a straight line. Is a straight line. Determine the value of lambda degree m and A for KCL constant A. Yes. Our graph is lambda m versus under root c. So we have to first root c. टाइम ना बगल मैं तो कैलकुलेटेड होई છે તમે ઘરે ટ્રાય કરજો on root of 0.000198 0.01407 root of this one 0.001758 0.01758 for third one 0.2283 and for fourth one is 0.03145. This is the root. Now we have to draw graph lambda m on y-axis and concentration, root of concentration on x-axis. Yes. 0.02. No, 5. 0.05, 0.01, 0.015, 0.020, 0.025, 0.035, 0.035, 35. Understood? Now here I 147 start करेंगे. Then 174.4, 147.8, 148.2, 148.6, 149, 149.4, 149.8. Understood? First value 0.01407. Yes, here. Side 148.61. Near about this. So graded value here second 0.01758 148.29 near about this 2283 147.8 this one. Now 0.3145 it is a 147.09. Yes. So when we join sum, so we get a straight line. So it is proven lambda m versus under root c is a straight line. And it cut this line cut on y-axis at 150 Siemens into meter square into mole inverse. That is our infinite limiting highest value. એનાથી વધારે ના હોય 150 Siemens into centimeter square into mole inverse. Infinite molar conductivity. And slope, yes, graph slope is 87.48. How we derive it? Yes, sir. For getting A, we have to take these two values. Different two values of lambda m. Lambda m to lambda m upon under root c1 c2 minus c1. So this gives 87 point. આ value અને આ value એનો subtraction એ આ concentration અને આનું concentration. So constant A એનો unit આવશે Siemens into meter square mole inverse upon mole per liter એનો root. Understood? Now this is our example we discussed last. I am going to tell you once again, एक बार repeat कर दूँ. Conductivity and molar conductivity. Clear? Conductivity K. Molar conductivity lambda m. For getting K, our cross section area is fixed 1 meter square. Length is fixed 1 meter. 1 mole solute હોય electrolyte. એમાં dilution કરતા જાઓ. The number of ions between two electrodes decrease થતા જાય. The molar conductivity decrease with decrease in concentration. 1 mole 1 liter માં હતું. Mole per liter the molarity bar. હવે 2 liter એટલે 0.5. તો આ ions છે એ અહીંયા આટલા ભાગમાં હતા, હવે આટલા ભાગમાં. The number of ions of plate વચ્ચે ઘટતા જાય. But in molar conductivity what happens? Our surface cross section area A is unlimited. Here 1 meter square is fixed. Here only length is fixed. A is not fixed. 1 liter હોય ત્યારે આટલું જ હશે. 2 liter હોય, 3 હોય, 4 હોય, 5 હોય. Number of moles, 1 mole remains between two plate. અહીંયા 1 mole થઈ બે પ્લેટ ની વચ્ચે નહીં રહે. એટલે અહીંયા તમે ડાયલ્યુશન કરો, નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ મૂવિંગ કરતા હોય એ ડિક્રીઝ થતા જાય, કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય. અહીં વોટર એડ કરો તો નંબર ઓફ પાર્ટિકલ્સ 1 મોલ જ રહેશે. 1 લિટર હોય, 2 હોય, 3 હોય, 4 હોય, 5 હોય. એટલે નંબર ઓફ આયન્સ અમુકનું ડાયલ્યુશન થાય એટલે એનું મૂવમેન્ટ વધી જાય, એટલે કંડક્ટિવિટી હાઈ થાય. એટલે અહીંયા કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ડિક્રીઝ થાય તો મોલર કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય. અહીંયા કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ડિક્રીઝ થાય તો કંડક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ થાય. અહીંયા કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ડિક્રીઝ થાય તો મોલર કંડક્ટિવિટી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે. અને એટ 0 કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન થઈ જાય ત્યારે હાઈએસ્ટ હોય છે. બાય. We will meet tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the lecture.